you have a new opportunity to start something afresh. You have a chance to begin bibi foforo. That's the opportunity given to you. And until Ade Akye Abia no na humobro no edoso ema me ni umienu. Nti enenso hwe na hunu na te ase se wo hu ye mmobo. Eno nti ne ye wo ahyase foforo, ye wo eda foforo, na ye wo anopa foforo, se ye tu anamon foforo. Eno nti na humobro no ama ye wo anidaso wa foforo ye emu anopai tisha nso fama me se ye beye bibi foforo anopai a eyo no twede amponya nkopon na humobro. Even if we are making corrections to the mistakes we made yesterday, foforo ye ntia nti because say opacho so we corrections to the mistakes of yesterday, it gives you a fresh thing again. Ti emma foforo ye bi eba mfom so na wo ye no enra emu enra na wo se po no wo sidi si ha but wo de kotia no ko si sei eno ti na wo tu di besi ba bia wo se si na bo se na fi you have a fresh thing to do again because achia no nti no untumi ento aso enya adwuma no awase o correct no na otumi ye. However, after the correction, you're going to start something new again. Either you are continuing, no, what you're going to continue, no, where you are starting from again, no, what was something new, something fresh to what you did yesterday. Nti foforo ye a wo ba ye ne foforo ye a wo ho de ma wo ne no ni nyina agina ahomoburu atwede amponyankopon e de ahu anopai eno nti sa ahomoburu no mu na me pese wo ti ase na hunu se we take advantage of it. Now ye bribe soronko e de ma ho anopai sa foforo ye ni ahomoburu no mu and am pese wo ti ase se you have the whole world to yourself. And you have that big chance to yourself to make changes because life is not lived in the past. Life is not lived in the past. Neither is it lived wandering in future. Life is for today, and it is today. Live it, love it, see it, and show how capable you are of everything you wish to achieve. I'll take it again. Not much what you see. So life is not lived in the past. The past is gone. Enra eko. Untumi enko live enra bra bono de bi eko etwem. Neither is it lived wandering in future. Ana untumi mo ochina bra nso ne de bi. Eye enebra no ene be bie kwan dia machina ti asiesa. Life is for today, and it is today. Live it, love it, see it, and show how capable you are of everything you wish to achieve. Tiane, live it, love it, see it, and show how capable you are of everything you wish to achieve today. And until one day, the obetumi aye eneda yimo no. Hunu na ye ne yie. Na ye man nsi ni nan so. Ye man nsomo. Ye man nyafe. Ebi se ne ene ye wodia. Enne na wo akwanya ne se wo da bribi adi kire wo bi. Enne na wo akwanya ne se wo ye bribi soronko ma obi hunu se ampa simasi obetumi aye adwuma no ampa simasi obetumi adidi bre na ampa simasi osefata sa akwanya na ababeto ho no. You have today to live that, to prove that, and to make you or make you. So you have today. You have today to do that. You have today to prove that point. You have today to start something new. If it's a Lamentation chapter 3 verse number 22 and 23 no kra ne hia me. Eho ena ehia me. See, they are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. They are new every morning. They are new every morning. I want to focus no why me person me twiwa adwini siso. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. So every morning that you have the chance to be a part of the divine selected ones, you know. Akwenya kese e de mawo. Akwenya kese e de mawo to start something new, to do something special. Challenge so for me. I don't jaro pai mempaye nyina ma desire nyina ela makuchire ya mebe kan dia kire wa no pai. Me dia mitrimu nsemu na wo mitrimu no doso ti bi wo ho mentingu mitrim me kuchire ama kan a kire no wate ase ti pai dia me ne ho cheni me say may the light and freshness of this new day bring in a sweet vibe in your life. Live the day as if there's no tomorrow and enjoy every moment like there are no worries. I, Kwame Agyarko, wish you a fragrant and beautiful day. Good morning. Welcome to New Day. Welcome to life. Welcome to Sompa 93.1. Welcome to Ade Akye Abia. My name is Kwame Agyarko. Nafi de akoso my Ghana ye de nyina e de abrew ene ye be di nkomo pi de di kan Dr. Papa Kwasindium and Peace Court the license aye revoke ye no asan restore ne back say am fama no ndi juma ya eno nti GN Banker na ye nim na close of 2018 mo hot 1st December revoke your licenses because they couldn't meet the threshold of 400 million Ghana cedi. A Bank of Ghana Erica Steve said banks are who drew you also to me meet you know na and to want to me and raise na hun sembe bebre na ye chairman or the Peace Court Kopium Supreme Court na still ya firm on your car say ane Bank of Ghana ebi say or revoking the license you know and ne Kopium a Peace Court ya sign a restore a year ne license no edo ti aropai ye bedi hu komo ye be wramu pa na ye ne financial aspects ahodo nso ededi hu komo na ya ginchire mu ahodo e de amaw. And then so being the 22nd day of May no NPP for say womo submit a petition for the removal of His Honor Joseph Yenuban Kusond, or presiding judge of the Circuit Court 9, Accra. Or no, ena abronya te man no ne dina so na fi ujina so no de abronya de call remand for 2 weeks. Na enran so nyamencha de abronya enya bail. And also you be call na fi yakwa kodi ho komo. Or petition ne de wom, and why that petition said what they call the Chief Justice said unto sana mono emfa emomo ebekwa kodi ho komo aven so Alban Sumana Kensford Babin or a Speaker of Parliament ma Ghana ochiremu say anti-LGBTQ plus bill no was say omo pass ansana Parliament asako adjournment ye be remo honso na fi ye di ho komo na yahwe and round so Speaker sign ekasai ochiremu say the Member of Parliament ma Asante Achim North Kwame Ohene Frimpona ya cheno the Netherlands the far and Yama Bakumi no be hono. Ochimusa Parliament is working hand in hand with the government to ensure justice is served in that matter. Yabako honso na fi yedi hon komo na yahwe se de si etie. Education minister and so wasign MOU, memorandum of understanding with Google, sebe obe advance AI in AI-driven learning in Ghana schools ahodo no em ti yabeko akodi hon komo na yahwe se de esi etie. And I feel so lawyer of the family of the late Chasa Misa Obekaya or no accident. I didn't call hospitals. Ahodo. Na yes, no bed. And until Namso and Maneshe name Kwano. And ne lawyer no a diabusiana nim wapon the assembly court kwako siu year for medical negligence 20 million Ghana cedis. Na lawyer no de December komi no be de tuja yabeko na fi yakwa kotie sansem no ne nia omo pa kire ne omo nyina so panti a wo modi eko sa omodi kosa court no na fi yakwa koe se de honsem sitie NIA so register over 19.4 million Ghanaians as Ghana card gains global recognition. So we have a lot to talk about this morning. Yakoba the inchirmuni nyina e de bemmaw e wo kasa fidie so. Check your time, it is 59:06. Sompa 93.1. Abia phone baby dia transe na tip off around the world of sports no. Wo modi ni nyina e de amaw e wo ye honum. Tino ye kwaba ye ba na fi ye ba betrase. Na ye wura nkomo no modi di nkomo no. Ahwe se de ensem no so esitie wo honum. Good morning.
Nida etoso eduonu mienu, 22nd day of the month of May, the year 2026. Tip off Brennason, was Sompa 93.1. Yenda morning show team na say production team no Obia Ejananaso from Sir Wisdom, the money man, Ekokosi, the digital man. George Owusu-Ansah, Ejekum Blankson, to Sir Prince the Darling Boy. Of course, the extraordinary production boss, Aziz Osman Mega, Midin at the power. From MCR, Unisys Kwabena Sante Quick. Yabesha said they free the Ghana Football Association. Wamu aswe nyanko pon ya duma. Nyanko ya kense kesipa ete yenim against Omi and Daddy Mexico. Na non and the head of PR, public relations and strategy, Neil Armstrong Motegbe. Atin sama hodro dia tuja. Ne Neil say, "Memfanto obianim with respect to Orani Johnny Carlos Cruz." Ne squad also release here enyamba yeno and also FIFA our deadline day for the release of the squad. Yintino.
FIFA have given for the countries to release their list. Until that deadline passes, I don't think that there's anything to be worried about. Carlos Queiroz is working, and they are preparing to release a squad that we believe will go out there and defend the honor of Mother Ghana.
Okay, enti eno aye Mr. Neil Armstrong Motegbe and this sansem we nyina no edito ensem trefo anim na Neil amana nso osanto aso edidi nkomo bebre edifa the friendly game nankasa ho o se a preparatory game yenti no.
It's a preparatory game. I believe that there's a purpose for why the squad that was called up for that game was called up. From a football fan's perspective, there might have been an expectation that they wanted to see some more familiar faces. But I believe from the technical team's perspective, they also want to see what other options could they bring up to help to bring some level of additional competitiveness within the